Carlos, well, he set to go down against Rinat Fakhretdinov. Well, did pretty well at PFL tournament. He defeated David Zavada, Milano Taylor, but lost on two occasions to Sadi Busai. Even was better than Ray Cooper third, which talks that he is a top-tier fighter. He's also a former LFA champion, a top-tier, really top-tier shoot boxer. The guy isn't moving too much, but he's striking, and he's got excellent BJJ ground game. Predominantly, the guy is a striker, but here comes the problem. He squares off against Rinat Fakhretdinov, top-tier wrestler. Yes, Rinat showed that he's got a knockout power in one of his previous outings, but he out-grappled Brian Battle. He held him down for 3 rounds, and I'm a big fan of Carlos Saul. But unfortunately, I have to say that Rinat Fakhretdinov wins this one. Never been a fan of his. He's the most annoying and the most boring guy I have ever seen in the UFC, but unfortunately, Rinat gets the job done here.